Good morning, dear students. How do you do? Hope you are all fine and safe. After some holidays, we are meeting again, no, in our online classes. A warm welcome to you all for this mathematics online class. We were discussing about, before the holidays, we were discussing about the lesson linear equations in one variable. Under that lesson, today we are taking up one topic, solving equations having the variables on both the sides. Okay, we have taken one example, example 1. Shall we start with that? Example 1, solve 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. What is this here? What is the difference between the previous one that we studied and this one? Here, on both the sides of the equality sign, we have the variables. We have to combine them and then we have to solve. Okay, that is the difference. Let us take up the sum now. 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. We have taken the sum. We have started the solution. We have taken the sum here, 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. What we have to do? We have to combine the terms with variables on one side and simply the numbers on one side. Okay, how to bring that? First of all, here this is a 2x is a term containing variable, and on the right side, right hand side, that is RHS of the equation, we have one more number that is with the variable. So we have to bring that to left hand side together with this. 2x already wrote, x to be brought to LHS, that is left hand side. So while bringing, so its a sign changes, children. Please note, its sign changes here. X becomes minus x while coming to left hand side. Okay. Now equal to, here whatever remaining on the right hand side, let us write that first. We have brought already x to left hand side. Remaining is 2. And from the left hand side, what is remaining? 3. Minus 3 is remaining, children. So while bringing, so its sign changes. While bringing to right hand side, its sign changes. Note here, here it is minus 3. When bringing to right hand side, its sign changes. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Correct? Yes. 2x minus x. How much it is? X means that it is 1x. So 2x minus 1x equal to 1x. Correct, children? Subtracting. And here 2 plus 3 both are having same sign. So it is adding 2 plus 3, 5. So the value of x is 5. The solution for this equation is 5. Like that. We have to find it out. Okay. Now let us take another example. Example 2. Let us take up this. Okay. Another example, that is 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 x minus 14. Here also we can see here the variables are present on both the sides. We have to combine them on one side. Okay. Let us start the solution. Let us take down the sum again first. 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. Now, here we have to bring the terms along with the variables. So, let us do that now. 5x as it is, I have to write. Here 3 by 2x is there, no? We have to take this to left hand side. So, its a sign changes 3 by 2x. Correct? It was plus 3 by 2x. Please note, children, here its a sign is plus, nothing is there means its a sign is plus. While bringing to LHS, left hand side, its a sign changes minus 3 by 2x is equal to, and then what is present on the right hand side? Minus 14 already there. No sign change. Please note, children, minus 14 as it is because it is on the right hand side itself. No transfer of numbers there. Terms there, so its a sign does not change at all. But another number, simply a number is there, 7 by 2. I have to bring that to right hand side now. So while bringing so, its a sign changes. Remember children, while bringing so, its a sign changes. Plus 7 by 2 becomes a minus 7 by 2. Remember. Next, how to solve this? Here, nothing is there means it is the understood that there is 1. You know that, isn't it? It is a fraction here now. So, we have to take the LCM. Please note children here, 1 and 2. For that LCM is how much? 2 itself. You know that, isn't it? 1 how much are 2? 1 2s are. So, we have to multiply that to this one. 5 2s are 10x. Minus 2 how much are 2? 2 1s are. 3 1s are 3x is equal to, here also nothing is there means here 1, it is understood that there is 1. So here it is also a fraction. So how to do this? Here again LCM is 2, correct? Yes. 1 how much are 2? 1 2s are, 14 2s are 28, minus 28. Again minus 2 how much are 2? 2 1s are, 7 1s are 7. Now come to LHS again. 10x minus 3x, 7x children, correct? Yes, divided by 2 is equal to minus 28 minus 7. Observe children here, both are having a same sign. So, addition, we have to add them. So, after adding 28 to 7, how much we are getting? 35. But sign is minus 35 divided by 2. Correct children? Yes. So, 7x. How to solve next step? How to do next step? Here observe children, 7x we want the value. We have the value here. The solution of x we need. So 7x we are retaining on the LHS left hand side. And this 2 is there. No, that should be brought to right hand side. On the left hand side, as we studied earlier, on the left hand side if it is divided by, while going to right hand side it becomes a into. So what happens here? Minus 35 by 2 into 2 children. So here it becomes divide by 2 on the left hand side, while coming to right hand side it becomes into. So 2 1s are 2 1s are cancels. So 7x is equal to minus 35 remains, correct? 2 2 cancelled here, remained minus 35, correct? Hope you are understanding. We need the value of x now. So, the value of x is, I hope you didn't forget that you studied before holidays, children. Yes. We need the value of x. X is equal to minus 35 divided by 7. Why it is divided by here? It was multiplied to x on the left hand side, while coming to right hand side it becomes divide by. So 7 1s are, 7 5s are. But along with the sign, when we are writing that, how we have to write? Therefore, x value is minus 5. So, the solution of this equation is minus 5 children. Observe here, the solution of this equation becomes a minus 5. You can observe here, this is very important sum. Okay. Hope you understood these two examples, how to work out them. Okay. Children, let us move on to some more applications of linear equations. In that, statement type of sums will be there. Let us take up an example there. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present ages. See, observe here children. Let us take up solution now. Here, Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. So, let Shriya's age be. Let Shriya's age be. That is which age? Present age be. We have to remember present age be x years. Let us take this as x years. Understood? Then, Arjun's present age will be how much? Arjun's present age. Arjun's present age is, Arjun is twice as old as, twice means 2 times. So, twice as old as Shriya. So, it is 2x years. Correct, no? Yes. Then here we have to consider 5 years ago his age was, his means here Arjun's age. 5 years ago Shreya's age will be how much? Shreya's age will be x minus 5. Correct, children? X minus 5 years. Because 5 years less, isn't it? 5 years ago, the age will be 5 years less than that of today, isn't it? So like that. 5 years ago, Shreya's age will be x minus 5 years. And the same time, 5 years ago, Arjun's age will be how much? 2x minus 5, because his present age is 2x. So 5 years ago his age will be 2x minus 5 years. But what is the criteria given here? 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. So 3 times Shreya's age, Arjun's age will be 3 times Shreya's age 5 years ago. So how to come to the equation now? It is given 3 times Shreya's age. 3 times Shreya's age. 3 times Shreya's age will be Arjun's age. Correct? Will be Arjun's age. They gave like that. So how to come to the equation? Therefore, how to equate the equations now? Observe, children, correctly. The Arjun's age will be 2x minus 5. Arjun's age 2x minus 5, that is 5 years ago, will be 3 times Shreya's age. 3 times Shreya's age, that is x minus 5. Here 2x minus 5 is equal to, now what we have to do? We have to open the bracket here so that we can get the correct numbers here. So how to open the bracket? We have to multiply the numbers here. 3 into x, 3x, minus 3 into 5, 3 5 is 15. Now we got the equation having the variables on both the sides that we studied in the previous video, isn't it? Now 2x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 15. What we have to do in this situation? We have to combine the terms having variables. So how to combine? 2x minus 3x, children. Why it is minus? Because it has to be brought to LHS, left hand side. So while bringing, so its sign changes. Is equal to, here on the right hand side what remains? Minus 15 itself. No sign change. Please note, children, here no sign change because it is in the on the same side. No transfer of sides here. Next, 5 is there here. It is on the LHS, so it has to be brought to right hand side. So its sign changes. It becomes plus 5. 2x minus 3x. Here observe, children, bigger number, smaller number. So we have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. We are getting x, right? 3x minus 2x. X, correct. But sign is bigger number sign. Which is the bigger number? 3x. So its sign is minus. Is equal to minus 15 plus 5. Here also we have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So 15 and 5 subtracted, we get 10. But bigger number sign minus. So on both the sides sign will be cancelled, isn't it? Minus minus, it becomes both sides means it will become plus, isn't it? So x is equal to 10. Because here minus, it is nothing but minus 1 here. When it is brought to this side, it becomes a minus 10 divided by minus 1. Minus divided by minus plus. How we are doing this? Minus x. When we need x, it is understood that it is minus 1 here. So minus 10 divided by minus 1, it becomes minus divided by minus plus. So it is 10. So x is equal to 10, children. What is x we have taken in the beginning? It is Shreya's age, present age. Therefore, Shreya's present age Shriya's present age is equal to how much? 10 years. And what about Arjun's age? Arjun's present age we need, isn't it? They asked us to find out the present ages of both. Arjun's present age will be 2 times that of Shriya. So that is 2 into x. Here it is x itself. So we wrote 10 years. X is equal to 10 years. But here it is 2x, children, isn't it? So 2x is equal to 2 into 10 because x is equal to 10 here. That is 20 years. So Arjun's age will be 20 years and Shriya's age will be 10 years. In this way, we have to come at the point to find out the solutions in this way. Statement sums. Understanding, no? Yes. Children, let us take up another topic here in this lesson, reducing equations to simpler form. The equation will not be in the simpler form, which will not be in the easy to simplify, but we have to bring that to simplified form. That is the sum here, reducing equations to simpler forms. Let us take up example, solve 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. How we can solve this? See, children. Here, let us take up the sum now. 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 6. We have to consider this much. Okay. Now, here observe, children, this is in fraction form. Here only 1 is there. That means that in the denominator there will be 1, correct? Isn't it? It is understood that in the denominator there is 1 on the LHS, correct? Now, 3 and 1 now, denominator. So, what is LCM for that? Obviously, it is 3, correct? 3 and 1 LCM is 3, you know. You have become more intelligent. I hope, isn't it? Yes, 3 and 1 LCM is 3. Now, 3, how much are 3? You know how to take the LCMs and write the numbers here. 3 ones are. So, this whole is multiplied by 1 means that it is 6x plus 1 itself. Correct? Plus, here it is 1. 1 how much are 3? 1 3s are, children. Here observe 1 3s are. So, 3 1s are 3 is equal to right hand side as it is x minus 3 divided by 6. Now, 3 6x as it is, right? But here these two numbers are there. We can add them. We can simplify them. 1 plus 3, 4 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 6. If in case the numbers come like this, what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. Whenever both the sides fractions are there, we have to cross multiply them. How to cross multiply? 6x plus 4 multiplied by 6. Correct, children? 6x plus 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to x minus 3 multiplied by 3. Correct? X minus 3 multiplied by 3. Now, let us multiply this number by outside number. 6 6 are 36x plus 4 6 are 24. Right? Here, x minus 3 into 3. That is, x into 3, 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Now, as usual, in this case, we have to combine the terms having variables. So, how to combine? 36x. Here on the right hand side, the term along with the variable is 3x. That should be brought to left hand side when it is bringing. So, its a sign changes, children. Its a sign becomes minus 3x. Here it was plus 3x. It becomes minus 3x. Now, on the right hand side, there is minus 9 already. On the right hand side, minus 9. This 24 should be brought to right hand side. While bringing so, its a sign changes, that becomes minus 24. Correct? Yes. 36 minus 3. How much, children? How much it is? 36 minus 3, it is 33x is equal to minus 24 minus 9. It is also, what we have to do? Minus 33, because both are having same sign. When same sign is there, we have to add them and put the same sign, correct? So 24 minus 9 minus 33. We need the value of now. We need the value of now x. Isn't it? We need the value of x. So with x there is 33. It is multiplied. It should be brought to right hand side. While bringing so it becomes divided by 33. So minus 33 divided by 33. So therefore x is equal to 33 cancelled here. So here it remains x is equal to minus 1, children. X is equal to minus 1. So in this way we can find it out. The important thing is here you should be very careful while taking the LCMs and should be cross multiplied. Whenever we get two fractions on both the sides, we have to cross multiply them. Cross multiplying in the sense 6x plus 4 into 6 is equal to x minus 3 into 3. Observe children here properly. You can understand easily. So, and again should follow the method that I mentioned in the earlier videos. That is 36x minus 3x. Bringing the terms having the variables to one side and numbers to one side always. Here the terms along with the variable one side, simply the numbers to one side. Then it will be easy for us to find out. Understood? Yes. Children, let us take up another example under reducing equations to simpler forms. Here is the second example. 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7 is equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. How to solve this equation? By looking at this, it looks very lengthy sum, isn't it? But easily we can solve them. Okay. Solution. Let us find it out. First of all, let us write down the sum properly. Is equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Now, step by step, let us go on simplifying them. Wherever it is possible, in that way we have to simplify. First, 5x as it is we have to write. Here you can observe children, bracket is there. Whenever bracket is there, you have to multiply the outer number to the inner numbers. So, let us start multiplying. Minus 2 2s are 4x, correct? Here, including minus, you have to multiply. Remember children, minus into minus plus 2 7s are 14 is equal to, here again on the right hand side also we have bracket. So, try to open the bracket, that is multiplying. 2 3s are 6x minus 2 1s are 2, correct? Plus 7 by 2, correct no? Now 5x minus 4x, as usual 1 is plus, 1 is minus, so we have to subtract 5x minus 4, that is 5 minus 4, 1, that is 1x children. Simply x we can write. Plus 14 is equal to again you can observe here now 6x minus 2 plus 7 by 2. What we can do, 6x as it is, right? You can take LCM for these two children. You can observe here, you can take LCM because these two are numbers, observe. So, minus, here nothing is there means 1 is there. So, take LCM for these two, that is 1 and 2, 2 LCM. 1 how much? 1 2s are, so multiply. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 how much are 2? 2 1s are, so that is 7 1s are 7. X plus 14 is equal to 6x minus, observe children here, 4 plus 7, that is minus 4 plus 7. Isn't it here? We are getting this is minus 4 plus 7. So it is how much? Actually plus 3 by 2 children. Observe here. That is plus 3 by 2. Correct? Because this minus belongs to 4, 7 plus. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So subtraction. 7 and 4. So 3, 3 by 2. Bigger number sign plus. Now what we can do? Now we have to combine the terms having variables. So x minus 6x children. Correct? Because this is the term with variable. So it comes to left hand side. So its sign changes minus. Here 3 by 2 on the right hand side itself, on the RHS itself, and 14 should be brought to right hand side. So while bringing so its sign changes children. Now x minus 6x. So bigger number 6, smaller number is 1. So 6 and 1 when subtracted we get 5x. But sign, bigger number sign children, observe, bigger number is minus, is equal to, here again these two are fractions, we have to take up LCM, we have to think that here it is 1. So 2 and 1 LCM is 2 itself children, you know, isn't it? 2 how much are 2? 2 ones are. So this becomes 3 ones are 3 minus 1 how much are 2? 1 twos are 14 twos are 28. Correct? Now minus 5x is equal to minus, observe children here, minus 28 plus 3. So we have to subtract them. Correct? When we subtract 3 from 28 we get 25. But which sign? Minus sign, bigger number sign. Then how to find it out? Now what we have to do? We need only x children. Observe here, we need only x value. So what we have to do? Minus 5 is along with that. It is multiplied actually, and when it goes to right hand side it will be divided by minus 25 by 2 divided by minus 5. Correct children? Yes, in this way we are doing. X is equal to, how to find it out then? How we can write them as minus 25 by 2 you write and write the reciprocal of this minus 5. What is the reciprocal of minus 5? 1 by minus 5 children. Isn't it? We studied reciprocals. Isn't it? Reciprocals. Ulta writing. Isn't it? Minus 5. Then it becomes into. Then only it becomes into. If you want to make it into, we have to write the reciprocal of the denominator. Here minus 5 is the denominator. Its reciprocal becomes 1 by minus 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. Correct children? Yes, it is a. So what happens here now? Here minus 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. Divided by 2. But look at the sign. Minus divided by minus. Minus divided by minus always plus. Isn't it? Minus by minus plus. Plus by minus minus. You know that, isn't it? It is the rule applicable to multiplication and also to divided by. So minus divided by minus plus. Here on the numerator 5. On the denominator 2. So the x value is plus 5 by 2 children. Yes, correct no? So the value of x is equal to 5 by 2. In this way you have to do. Here first observe children here. Whatever under the bracket you have to open the bracket. How to open? By multiplying them with the sign. Be careful about the signs. If sign is wrong, your answer will be getting wrong. So be careful while solving this type of sum.